Do you know? The Middle East holds the world's largest oil reserves. And the reason is an incredible geological jackpot. Millions of years ago, this region was a shallow, tropical sea. Massive amounts of organic matter, ancient marine life were deposited. This organic richness, combined with the ideal geological structure, specifically thick, porous reservoir rocks trapped beneath impermeable salt layers, created the perfect natural pressure cooker. Tectonic movements then folded these layers, forming enormous traps where the oil and gas collected. It's a unique alignment of timing, biology, and geology that makes this region the epicenter of global energy. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you.